Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have the best LOL Surprise Halloween doll available in the market, the LOL Surprise Costume Glam Baby Cat Doll. This limited edition doll is perfect for adding a spooky and sparkly touch to your collection. Let's dive into the details of this fantastic Halloween doll. The LOL Surprise Costume Glam Baby Cat Doll comes with 7 surprises, including the Halloween limited edition doll. Mix and match accessories, color changes, or water surprises, making it a perfect gift for kids ages 4 and above. The doll features Baby Cat, a unique and adorable addition to the LOL Surprise collection. Unbox 7 surprises including a secret message, bottle, accessories, outfit, shoes, and the limited edition Baby Cat doll. Color change or water surprise. One doll changes color while the other has a water surprise, adding an element of surprise and fun to playtime. Collect both limited edition dolls, Baby Cat and Countess, to complete your Halloween collection. The dolls come in cute, reusable limited edition pumpkin ball packaging that can be repurposed as a purse or for trick-or-treating. Perfect for imaginative play and social interactions, these dolls provide hours of fun for kids. In conclusion, the LOL Surprise Costume Glam Baby Cat Doll is a must-have for any LOL Surprise collector, especially with its unique Halloween theme and limited edition features. Make sure to grab yours before they're gone. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the LOL Surprise Costume Glam Baby Cat Doll. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.